Friends, today we are going to debate on a topic: Indian diet is good or bad. Means what is the optimist and pessimist side of Indian diet? Now let's begin to start.
So he's supporting that.
Hello, Ayush.
Hi buddy. He's supporting that Indian diet. He's supporting supporting. You are in that ki Indian diet is good, and I am in Indian diet is not good.
Yes.
So explain yourself.
So, I take the side of pessimist.
Yeah.
Means positive side of Indian diet. Indian diet is very good, and means you are talking about diet, not about our food culture, not about food. Indian diet, when you see, when you saw,
Guys, speak louder.
when you saw the person who is doing their balanced diet, he is doing well, and he eats vegetable, he eats so many things in their balanced diet.
Sorry to interrupt you, but I don't agree with your point. You say that, but in India diet, but Indian people don't follow a balanced diet. Balanced diet is that diet there you need all the nutrition. But in India, many people just eating food means in Indian food, the most of the thing is carbs. Many people are taking carbs to fill his tummy, but they don't they don't take a full balanced diet. And you know that in India, our population is 150 crore,
Yes.
and our 10 crore population is a diabetic patients. You know why? Because after lunch they taking a sweet dish, and after the lunch, every Indian after the lunch they take a sweet dish.
Yes.
And you know
Dessert.
this thing happen. And according to research, in India, many of the people who living in India, they have a addiction of sugar.
Yes.
And
I- you are
you
right.
know that in India, like many like youngsters who like addicted to sugar, they taking more sugar. And according to research, like our body doesn't need any sugar. Like our body required zero sugar. But if like if you say how much sugar our body tolerates, so it's approx in a one day our body tolerate 36 gram of sugar. It is approximately 7 to 8 spoon of sugar.
Yes. Yes, you are right, buddy. But I want to add some points.
Okay.
In India, there is a in food in our diet. The oil is most priority in our food. Everything is boiled in oil. Vegetable.
You are supporting.
and
You are just
in oil, and here everything is oil. And I
yeah.
I heard.
I am agree with your point. Like in India, many thing using like in India everything using oil too much, and they use
Spicy and oily thing.
yeah.
And
And you also don't like also believe in that people are not follow a good balance diet.
India, I saw most of the people whose stomach is come out from his body, and there is a so much big stomach. I saw most of the politicians, and when you saw the politician from outside foreign country, you saw Barack Obama and